Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Marriage is a union of love, but it also creates a union of property. Today, let's talk about unsa ng prenuptial agreement. Unsay iyang legal benefits and advantages before ta mo say I do to our partner. Tara, let's talk about this. A prenuptial agreement is a written agreement made by both spouses before getting into marriage. This will determine unsa na property regime ang ilang gabiton or mo-govern after their marriage. Under Article 75 of the Family Code of the Philippines, it states that ang both party pwede mag-agree unsa na property regime ang ilang gamiton after their marriage. If ever, ang couple wala sila'y valid marriage settlement or kitawag na prenuptial agreement, ang balaod nag-state na naatay kitawag default property regime, which is the absolute community of property. So what are the three property regimes? Number one is the absolute community of property. Second is the conjugal partnership of gains, and the third one is complete separation of property. Default ang absolute community of property kung wala mo ay prenuptial agreement. Then, nagmay prenuptial, pili mo ning duha. It's either conjugal partnership of gains or complete separation of property. Yung itag conjugal partnership of gain, simple discussion na niya is kung unsa imong napundar before mo nagminyo, inyuha ra gyud na. Why is it important? Firstly, prenuptial agreement provides clarity. Important kay ni siya, especially one of the spouse has already its own real estate, businesses, investment, or naagi siya substantial asset. Secondly, it will prevent future disputes. Nga naman, clear naman in kaso, di ba yun matagdaan na kaning nindot kayo na couple, pila lang katuig magbuwag. So klaro gid kayo na kinsa ray tag-iya aning iyang particular property. And lastly, it will have a legitimate financial arrangement between spouses. Kaya naman, na may prenuptial agreement. If na ako yuta, gidaan ako padong sa atong kaminyoon, ang panag-iya sa yuta, ako ra gyud na. Kung ato nang paabangan o katong abang, mutoy pwede rin ako ihatag or atong i-share sa ato ang pagpuyo isip magtiayon. Important things to remember para valid ang atong prenuptial agreement. Number one, it should be executed before the marriage. Second, written siya niya notaryado. Thirdly, signed by both parties. And fourth, it must be registered in the local civil registry and registry of deeds kung naanay property. And lastly, it must not be contrary to laws, moral, and public policy. So, ma'am and sir, before you say I do sa inyong pares, kung naa sa pag-ayo kung angayan ba mo mag-prenuptial or dili. So, this has been Attorney Ken Ruiz Marsado saying, let's continue to provide our community with knowledge, dignity, and justice. So if you want to learn more videos about education and Philippine laws, please follow, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.